Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to remove a token from MetaMask wallet. First of all, launch open the MetaMask application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and look for the Tokens tab and tap on it. Inside your Tokens tab, if you want to delete a token, go ahead and tap on one of the tokens, and then this will open up their info section. Go to the top right corner and tap the three dots, and then click on Remove Token from the pop-up menu. Click on Confirm, and this will hide the token from your token list. So there is how you easily delete or hide a token. MetaMask does not truly delete token contract data from the blockchain, which is impossible, but you can hide or remove it from your visible token list. Now, after you get back to the main tokens page, you will be able to see that the selected token is no longer visible in your list. So that's how you easily delete or hide your token in MetaMask. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.